Hi, I'm Kritika, completed my BTech IT in Kongu Engineering College. Here I completed MERN Stack in Qtree Technology. I'm Preethi. I've completed BE Electrical Electronics Engineering in PS Institute of Technology and Applied Research. Here I have completed MERN Stack development course. We have done a project named Hospital Management System. In this project, we have used front end as a React.js, and for a backend, we have used Node.js, and for the database, we have used MongoDB. This is our home page. This is the page where everyone can visit. Here we have accounts tab. So here we have three logins, separate logins for admin, doctor, and the patient login. This is the nav bar. Just we have about and contact us. The details we have done here. The new patient visit our website. If they want to make an appointment, they first have to click the Make Appointment tab. In this, we have two select bar and one submit button. In the first select bar, all the departments that is in our hospital will be visited. First, they have to select which department they need to. For example, I'm selecting the cardiology, and the corresponding doctors will be available here. For I'm selecting Kritika, and then we have to click the submit button. Here, it will redirect to the mobile verification. For example, user database. If already visited means that patient will be directly redirect to the booking slot. If they enter the mobile number for the verification, we have generate OTP. If we click this and submit, we directly redirect to the booking slot. If the patient is new to our hospital means, for example, I'm entering a new number that is not in our database. It will ask for the patient details. I'm just entering all the details now. If they submit this submit button, it will just ask for the you want to submit the form like that. If they hit the OK button, then it will redirect to the patient details will be submitted in the database. Then it will redirect to the booking slot. Here, the selected doctor and the department will be available. In this, we have used Redux to store the values and retrieve those values here by using the stored.js and Redux. In this, if they need to select the slot, we have here only two slots, 9 a.m. and 12 p.m. In this, if they want to select which date they need to book an appointment. For example, I'm clicking this, and if they click this, the appointment will be booked. And if they click OK, the data will be stored in the database and it will be moved to the home page. This is the simple process for booking the patients. Here you have three logins: admin, doctor, and patient login. If you click the admin login, it will ask for username and password. Just we are entering the username and password which we have stored in the database. After that, once we got signed in, it will show the admin page. Actually, we have used JWT web token for authentication purpose. We have created two tokens, refresh token and access token. The access token will be automatically generated every 30 seconds. It is for authentication purpose. After that, the dashboard, this is the admin dashboard, and we have displayed a pie chart. This is representing the performance of departments according to the appointments. If the department has a high appointment, it will show it in the pie chart. Another chart we have used for revenue in the hospital. We have used only consultation fee for that. And the admin can see which all are the doctors in the hospital, and he can also see the patient details. All the patient details he can see. He can edit the patient also. He can also create the patient. He can create the doctor. He can also view the appointments according to the department. if you select the doctor and the date, it will display the appointments done on the date. We can also see the appointments already booked. After that, we can log out. And there is doctor login. Doctor, for that we have also used only the mobile verification for the doctor. The doctor number, the doctor details will be already stored and available in the database. If the doctor entered the mobile number, I'm just entering the doctor number which we have already stored in the database. Then he can see which appointment has been booked for him. He can select the slot and date to filter the appointments also. He can click submit so that all the appointments will be viewed. This is the patient name and patient details will be available here for the doctor who can see the patients booked for him. And after that we have patient login also. If the patient is already booked, so this will log into the patient. This is the already booked appointment by the patient. So it will be displayed in their account. So this is the project we have done. And we have kept the billing details and all for future enhancement. So the pharmacy also, the billing and the revenue according to each doctor, the doctor performance can be, we have kept that for our future enhancement. Thank you.